Hey there, in this video I want to give you a free gift, and that is simply how you can make about $100 to $200 every single week of the month just doing a very simple thing, which is creating images. And they are very simple. You do not even have to do it yourself. All you have to do is to actually maximize an AI that I will show you in this video. Now, this skill and this information that I'm giving to you is something that people actually sell for profitable amount of money in their master classes and all that stuff, because there are people on Fiverr, people on Upwork, people on LinkedIn, and people on various social digital platforms where e-commerce are being sold, and they are making tons of money. All right. Now, why am I showing this to you? Of course, I'm a good person, but again, that's because I try and pride myself in actually giving my followers quality information. Now, without further ado, let's hop right to my screen. Let me show you how that works. But before then, I need you to do something for me if this is your first time on my channel, because I churn out videos like this that are actually valuable to you. Do very well to hit on the subscribe button, all right? Like this video so that more people will see it. And in case you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Without further ado, let's hop right in. Let me show you how this actually works. On this website called Ideogram, all right, so you're not to type Ideogram on your Chrome browser, and then the first thing it brings out for you, which is this ideogram. You're just going to click on it, all right, and allow it to load for a minute. It's going to show this interface and of course this. So the first thing it will ask you is to actually register. If you're using Google or you continue with Apple, whatever device you're using to register, you just want to continue to register. So you want to click on continue with Google. What this simply means is that your default Gmail is going to use it to actually register. So I'm just going to click on this, which is my default email. It says by continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language preference, and yeah, you know this already. So you're going to click on continue. All right. After clicking on continue, you're going to click on I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions in service. Then you choose a name you want to use. I'm just going to use my name. All right, then I'm going to click on complete registration, and boom, you're on this website. All right, you can see introducing title. I already received an email from Ideogram already on my email, welcoming me on the platform, but I don't need that, so you're just going to X this. Now this is Ideogram and all that. Now, before I would show you how to use Ideogram, right, I want to show you something. You want to come on Fiverr, right? Just click on Fiverr and search. Now, I'm doing this to show you how profitable it is to actually create images like this for people, all right? To actually create images like this for people. It's a very expensive and lucrative industry, and you just want to enjoy it. So what we want to do here is to actually click on AI, as simple as AI generated images. Just click on search. I'm not sure why it's showing this interface. Now you can see what this individual here is saying. It says I will create realistic AI generated images for commercial use, and it's charging $15. This person says I will create an image concept and digital AI generated art using Midjourney for $15. This another person here is saying the same for $15. In fact, you see some people are selling their service for as high as $30, $20, $5, $10. But of course, if you're coming on this platform to start generating or creating your account and trying to sell here, you do not want to come on this platform and start selling for $15. You're just starting, all right? So I advise you come on Fiverr, create an account, and start selling for as low as $2, $3, $4, all right? So you can have more clients reaching out to you, and guess what, you actually get to deliver quality for them. Now let's take for instance this image that is actually here. Let's try to create something like that on Ideogram. All right, so you want to come here and type out what you want. But my first instruction is that how AIs actually work is that they require that you actually put in prompts. So my simple advice would be that make sure that you're as detailed as possible. Now let's start by creating an image about a child in Africa. So I'm going to type here, create an image for a refugee child in Africa playing with his friends in a dirty slum. Or you know what, let's use dirty environment. So you've done that. Now the next thing you want to do is to come here and choose on the ratio. So you want to choose this if you want it to be 9:16 or 1:1 or 16:19, depending on what you want. So if you're creating this is basically for image, Instagram, TikTok and the likes, and this is for desktop view, and this is also for desktop view depending on what you want. So I'm just going to click on the normal ratio, 1:1, right? And then I'm going to click on generate. When you click on generate, you're going to give it some time to actually load. So it's saying here that the time it's taking 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and you can see it's already loading your image. You can see our image. You can see a child playing in the dirt with his friends. You can see in Africa. So it's literally going to create for you exactly what you want it to create for you. Exactly what you want it to create for you. How beautiful is this? You can see this is very beautiful, right? You have 4 different images to choose from. You can either choose from this, choose from this, choose from this, and that's about it. And you can come here on this platform and start digitalizing and selling your skill for money. Imagine creating this, someone asking you to create something like this, and you do this very simple task. Download this image and set. And good thing is that this image does not come with any watermark. It is completely yours. You create this image and send to the individual, and boom, you are making money already from it. Alright guys, you can thank me later, alright, and I want you to actually maximize this. Have a very wonderful time and see you in my next video.